Today I'm going to create the chart of account and include a column here. So this column is going to be the transaction item. So basically it's sourced from the chart of account. Let me create a column here first. So this one is a transaction item. Control C, Control V, grab the description here, but we don't have any description, right? So let's go back to the field list. Okay, let's go back to the field list. So as usual, you just select the field list and then click it, and you'll be in the field list. Let me insert one more column, and underneath the field name, let me type trans item. Under the tab name, simply select my Bookkeep. Under the language description, English, Simplified Chinese, and Japanese. In case if you don't want to create the multilingual system, you can fill in only the English description. It's perfectly okay. You don't need to be multilingual. It's just my practice. Let me go get these one and just paste that. The English on the left, particular, and the Chinese in the middle, and Japanese on the rightmost. So as you can see, the particular is just another way to say what item you are going to pick for this transaction. So it's transaction item. So let me Control S to save it. And let me go back to my Bookkeep. Okay, just go back to my Bookkeep. Okay, so you see the description, right? Usually I will test the Chinese description, Japanese description as well. Okay, so after that, in this column, I'm going to create a drop-down list that enables me to select the general ledger account from the expense, income, asset, or whatever. Okay, so let me just Control C, Control V to get rid of the drop-down here. Okay, let's take a break.